Hello guys, welcome back to Programming with Rana Waqas. In today's video tutorial, we will talk about the break statement. So usually break statement is used inside the loops. So suppose you are working with the loops, it is sometimes desirable to terminate the loop immediately without checking the test expression. In such case, break is used. It terminates the nearest enclosing loop when encountered without checking the test expression. So this is very similar to break statement works in Java, C++, or C language. So let's see how break works. So it is almost always used with if else construct. So here you can see this is a for loop, and I am writing the syntax. So if here is a test expression, and then you are using here break statement. So whenever this test expression will be true, so break is executed, which terminates the for loop. So let me comment this one, and let's see a bigger picture for this while, do, and for loop. So here you can see in while loop there is a test expression on which this while loop is dependent, and here if condition is here to break the loop. If this condition is true, the break statement will run, and your code will skip all the statements here, and it will go outside the while loop. Similarly, in do while loop it will work like same. When this break statement will be executed, your flow of the code will come out of the loop. Similarly, in break it will work like same. So let's take an example of a code. So let me write here a for loop, I in 1 to 10, and when this I will be equal to 5, so I want to break this code. So if that is not equal to 5, so I want to print the value of I. So let's run this code. So when the value of I is equal to 5, expression I double equal to 5 inside if is evaluated to true, and break is executed. This terminates the for loop. So calculate the sum until user will enter 0. So let's suppose we will write it by using while loop. So let me comment this code, and here we will make two variables. One will be sum, and the sum will be started from 0, and here variable number is of integer type, and we will take the value from user. So this is the infinite loop in which we write the test expression as true, and let's print the statement, enter the value, and here we will take the value from user by using read line. So read line will convert this value into integer, and then we will check here if number double equal to 0, so we will break the loop. Otherwise we will add this number into sum variable. So after all, we will print the sum at the end of the program. So sum equals to dollar sum. So let's run this code. So let's write here 1 2 3 and then 0. So it should be 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is 6, as you can see here. So there are some Kotlin labeled break. So let me explain you what are Kotlin labeled break. So what you have learned till now is an unlabeled form of break which terminates the nearest enclosing loop. There is another way to break, can be used label form to terminate the desired loop, can be an outer loop or inner loop. So let's write a code to see how the labeled break will work. So first of all, you have to give a label. So let's suppose I am giving the label first add. So that is a for loop, I in 1 to 4, and here that is a second loop. So I am making a label. To make any label in Kotlin, you have to write the word and you have to give the name to the label and then put add sign to tell the Kotlin that this is a label. So j in 1 to 2. So let's print here print ln. So let's print here the value of I and value of j, I and value of j, and if the I is equals to 2, so we will break the first one. Here you can see the 3 break statements. First is break at second, then break at first. So we will break at first. So here you can see that this when I is 1, so this inner loop is running perfectly fine, and when the outer loop value is equals to 2, so at the first iteration it has break the outer loop. So this is the you can say labeled loops. So so here is a little variation in this code. So let me write here break second. So when we will run, let's see the output. What is the change in the output? So here you can see I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, I is 4. So here you can see when the value of I is 2, so the inner loop is breaked. So otherwise the inner loop is working fine. The inner loop value is 1 2, j is 1 2. So here j is 1 2 for all the values of I, but at the value of 2 for this I, this j loop is breaked. So this is all about the label loop. So in my next video I will explain that what is the purpose of using keyword continue in loop. So what is the difference between continue and break? So don't forget to like my video, and you for your practice let's write a program which will start from 100 to 1 by using decrement operator, and when you will get the first prime number, your loop should be breaked, your outer loop should be breaked. So comment your code in the comment section, so I will evaluate your code. So let's meet in the next video. Take care.